talking first time, so could you introduce yourself?
Okay, so first of all, thanks, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. So, as you know, my name is Sachin. I am connecting you from Jodhpur district of Rajasthan state. And if you talk about my qualifications, in my now I'm doing MBBS from Dr. Sampurnanath Medical College, Jodhpur. It is my first year. This year I qualified for NEET UG exam 2024, and uh, in my free time I love to play volleyball and listening English content. So that's all about me, ma'am.
So could you introduce myself? Then I can
Okay,
start.
sure, ma'am. Why not?
Okay, I am Preeti Pandey. I am from UP. In UP, I basically belong to Gorakhpur. If I'm talking about my qualification, I have completed BSc Biology and Chemistry, and I have completed B.Ed. I also cracked CTET and UP. Now I'm preparing for government teacher examination. If I'm talking about my hobby, I love painting, dancing, writing. I write poem.
Uh, okay,
And I am a mother, 6 month old kid, and I am home tutor. I teach biology and chemistry, ninth and 10th, Hindi
okay,
medium.
that's good. That's
It,
great.
it is all about me, and that's why only for teaching profession, I want to become a fluent speaker. I know English, but I am good for writing and I am good for reading. I am not good for speaking because I also belong in Hindi medium, so that's why
Okay.
I am troubling. I am make lots of mistakes, so that's why I am learning this language. It is
Yes,
all
you are
about.
doing great because you know now a teacher should know English because if you know English, he can teach their students this language. And according to me, a teacher should know this language because
Yeah,
it should make
right.
the students understand in easy language and easy English vocabulary. Okay,
Okay, yeah, you are right. I interrupt you. If you are teacher and you don't know about English language, I am not saying that if you are teacher, you know about more language, so it is very good for student
yes,
because how much know like language, you understand better than our society. It is in my
yes,
opinion. If you know about, like, I know about little bit English, so I can connect with you. I read English book. I know about any other perspective, like English writer, which type novel write and which type book write. But if I know more language, so I understanding level more develop. So according to me, if teacher know more language, so it is a good for the student.
uh, yes. I'm agree with you.
Okay, so how long have you been learning this language?
So it's been only approximately 4 months, more
Four
than four
months.
months.
So tell me which type mistake you are doing, because I am also beginner. So you are find your mistake or not?
Yes, so sometime I find, but sometime I don't find because
Okay, so
mistakes are
you
habitual.
watch
Yes,
what you
so
okay, sorry, you watch your video after taking session.
no, sometime when some YouTubers upload their videos, so that time sometime I watch. Don't watch properly, but sometime superficially, like if a video is of 20 minutes, so I watch the whole video in uh, 10 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay, that I think you will make mistake. That I know I am beginner, but I feel because I do same mistake. I
Yes.
I didn't watch my video after taking session. Only for my improvement, I am not big YouTuber and that kind thing. Only for my consistency, I am not think about more like YouTube. I am only on upload. If someone like my video and like appreciate, so I feel good because I am become teacher. So it is I am grateful if someone like me, but I'm not thinking about more YouTube because I am also preparing for. So I am focused about my preparation. But I didn't watch my video like 2 and 3 days back. But recently I realized that let's watch which time mistake I do. So when I watch and seriously watch, that time I feel that I make lots of mistake every day. I repeat my mistake. So if you watch your video, then you realize which topic you are make mistake, because everyone YouTuber this app, everyone want to make video, so he don't tell me about your mistake. So if you watch
Yes.
your video, then everyone have one topic like same topic, so how can you improve if you are not find your mistake?
Okay. I will try.
I am not, I am also beginner, but recently I invent this method. So
Yes.
I feel that I am not
So this
repeat
method is
that
good.
mistake
Uh,
again.
yes, this is good because we can realize our mistakes, and it's good according to me. I will try,
Uh,
but
So which
but
kind
here,
also,
but due to the lack of time, as I'm a medical student, so due to my busy schedule, I don't get time. Hardly found I can found I can find 1 to 1.5 hour the for listening, and total time for listening and conversations. So that is why. But sometime I try when where any YouTuber upload my videos, so he or she send me. So then I see the complete video, not so superficially, not the whole video. So
yeah. And yeah, I understand that how much like you are busy in your study, because you are cracked your exam. Sorry, you mentioned that, but I am not recall. You are cracked your NEET exam or not?
yes, this year I qualified for NEET UG exam. I also mentioned previously.
You had mentioned, but I because I am very like our flow, I feel that you are net JRF. Net JRF
No,
means a teaching field, so that's why I am asking you. You
it's
want to become?
NEET UG exam,
Oh,
medical
I
entrance.
understand. Okay, so you that's great. When I was child, that time I wanted to become like doctor, but due to some reason, it is not
Yes,
happen.
everyone has some reasons. I also met some group members and some other people who also wanted to become a doctor, but due to some reasons, it may personal and some social reasons, they could not.
Okay, that's great. If anyone dream come true, I think it is a very great opportunity in our life.
Yes, and sometimes we have to accept our fate, that what is written in our fate. Uh, what we can do, we can only do the hard work for. And when I was coaching, I had my grandfather and my family members also suggested me that we can only do the hard work and preparation. We we can't think about the whatever will happen. What if what if I failed? So I did not ever thought about that.
Okay, good, good. That's great, because you are clear. I feel that how yeah, how much you are doing hard work. My also two friends preparing for NEET exam, but only one friend cracked this exam.
Okay.
One friend also preparing for 7 years.
Yes, because there is no, that is the biggest problem, and now the issue is going on for age limit and the fixing the attempts, because there are
Attempt.
no fixed attempts in this exam. Uh, some students are still 27 years old, 30 years old. They are still preparing. Some, not all, but some. And the early age is, according to me, the shortest age is 17. After 17 there is no age limit, so that is the
Okay,
shortcoming of this exam.
in future, I call you doctor.
Okay, thanks for this.
Okay, so
And
I want to connect you again after this session because I am curious about our career. So tell me, it is your childhood dream or like teenager dream or your parents' dream?
Yes,
That
it's in the starting, I had many dreams that I want to become a police officer, I want to become a doctor, I want to become an engineer. But after that, I got when I passed 10th exam, so I got good marks. So my parents, so I took science there with the advice of my parents. And in science, I chose the biology stream. So there is only one. Uh, there are many like many fields in, but the major field in biology field is the MBBS. There is it is the highest post in the biology field. So I decided to go in this field. And after my 12th examination, my father sent me to a coaching for NEET UG exam, and I prepared for 2 years. Last year I took one drop because last year I was not qualified, so I had two attempts. In the second attempts, I was qualified.
you only on second attempt you are qualified. Next question
Yes,
is that how much take you are attempt? Okay, that's great. I think you are doing hard work,
yes,
really
thanks
hard.
for your admiration.
Okay, that's great. So what is your next goal? What you want to achieve?
Yes, because every it is the dream of every medical student to become a uh, good specialist of a specific field. What it can be whatever, like if you want, if he or she wants to become a surgeon, a pediatrician, a gynecologist, whatever. But I have not decided the field, but definitely I also want to become specialist.
Okay, that's great. Nice to talk with you. It is a my great opportunity that I talk with a
Thanks,
doctor.
and me too.
Okay, that's great. So, how much time you are invest like English because you are already so busy. So,
Yes.
because
So,
I my many viewers and many like beginners also mention that he don't have time. So everyone know about how much hard this exam like NEET and UPSC. It is a two exam in our India like hardest exam.
yes.
So please,
So okay, so I will tell you. So yes, because every
think
everyone,
if
because
you
nowadays,
okay,
yes,
tell
what
me.
was you asking? So I was saying that everyone is busy in his or her life. So according to me, he or she has to find out some time and to invest or to spend on our his or her the, English speaking journey. Whatever is started, like speaking on speaking part, on listening part, and furthermore, if he or she also write or read, so that. But according to me, if anyone wants to start, so then definitely he or she have to find out some time. And I also have busy schedule, but I try to find out 1 hour, and hardly I got 1 hour. Sometime at Sunday, i I get 1 to 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours also sometime. But generally, uh, is Monday to Saturday, I get 1 hour, hardly 1 hour, sometimes 50 minutes. But I invest half and half in both listening and some I listen English podcast and doing audio conversation and video conversations. And I generally do audio conversations, but because we are two at our room, but now my roommate is outside, so I do video conversations sometime. So that's it.
Yeah, you have mentioned good topic that if anyone want really something, so he and she find time ourselves and learning this
Yes.
language. Oh, great. Great. So we can connect. I want to talk more, but my
Okay, you can
one
connect with me